Please come.
N. Sendra Kumar, Director, Multivision, to please address the gathering.
Very good morning to everybody. Today is a milestone day in the history of our company, Multivision. With the inauguration of new business premises with modern facilities to render effective products and services in software industry. On behalf of our company, Multivision, our management, who does not require an introduction. His achievements and legacy speaks for himself. Our beloved governor has a remarkable career spanning more than half a century of public life and has done immense service to society and our country. During his illustrious public life, he has served in various capacities in Andhra Pradesh Ministry in various portfolios, including its Chief Minister. As Finance Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he has a distinct record of presenting 15 budgets, which is unmatched in Indian democracy by anybody else.
I owe everything. 10 years ago when I joined Multivision, I never thought I'll be standing here in the presence of the beloved governor and other noble dignitaries and making this speech. Now, about our beloved governor. How often do we come across someone who has done everything with legendary accomplishments and yet with amazing simplicity and discipline? He's a man who has seen it all. We all believe king of all trades is just mythical. But you have disproved it, sir. You are king of all trades. We all are honored to be here. I have been given 5 minutes, so before Senthil gets into my throat, so let me be quick. Man is defined as a social. This has to be changed. E-Intern is a first of its kind online experiential internship program where aspiring IT programmers attain actual job-based skills that will help them advance in their careers. And E-Intern is 100% free and offers this unique opportunity to everyone and anyone, including career beginners, career advancers, and career changers.
The new office of Multivision Incorporation at Chennai, and address this distinguished gathering here this morning. It's a nice and welcome one. Information technology plays a predominant role in India. In India's GDP has risen up to 7.5% as of 2012. Today it has transformed India into a land of innovative entrepreneurs, and there is a boom in IT, and India has become the most sought after. And the Tata Group established a partnership with Burov. I am pleased to learn that the IT sector in India is generating 2.5 million direct employment, and India is now one of the biggest IT capitals in the world. We are living in an era of information technology. At the beginning of the computer age, we have benefited from automation and increased productivity, and now we are experiencing the true benefits of computer age. I am told that by 2018, it is expected that 80% of the world population will have access to internet.